How to convert HEIC to JPG on iPhone. To convert HEIC to JPG on an iPhone, you first need to open the Photos application on your iPhone. Once you're in, you will find all your media here. From here, you need to select a photo. Tap on it. Then, tap on this icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, a menu will appear like this. You need to select the Copy Photo option. Now, minimize the application. Then, open Files on your iPhone. Once you're in, open the On My iPhone folder from here. Then, choose a folder to paste the photo. Or you can just paste it over here. Long tap on an empty space, a drop-down menu will appear. Select the Paste option from here. Once the photo has been pasted successfully, open it. Then, tap on this button at the top of your screen. A menu like this appear. As you can see, the photo has been converted in JPG format. By following these simple steps, you can easily convert HEIC to JPG on iPhone.